So good morning everyone, I am in La Pinilla, a lovely little hamlet here out in rural Spain. This is a beautiful Spanish traditional property. It is a very modern but beautiful property, okay? Now we have a little village here with the church and a bar and a few little amenities, but just down the road there is more amenities and doctors and dentists, all that down in Campusol, so we're not too far, and the beaches aren't that far. It's a nice little drive from here, okay? You are quite close to the airport here. I think from here it's about 20 minutes. It's Murcia International Airport. So let me take you inside and we'll have a look around this property. So this is the property we're looking at today. So you have got your pedestrian gate there. You've also got your off-road parking. This is the road. And just down that road then is the little village. And this is your outlook. It's really nice. You see those beautiful mountains and everything all around. So just go in here. So this is nicely paved. You have some lovely little olive trees here, really lovely. And just here, in the shade, you can sit down and just relax. So we're just going inside. Absolutely lovely in here. It's nice and cool as well. So as you can see, this is the living space. It's quite long and you have patio doors at the other end with furniture outside where you can sit and relax. Beautiful lighting above, and you've also got aircon in here as well. Just there you have your heating, and I'm just going over here to pan around just to give you a feel for the room. Now it's a beautiful long room, and of course you've got dining room table and chairs at the other end. Just through here are these beautiful doors that open up, and they're very ornate. And I'm just going to take you in here and we'll have a look around. So just there is the staircase up to the bedrooms. But in here there is a room. They use this as an office, but it is a third bedroom. Okay? So if you have guests or anything like that, they've got a lovely outlook as well. And of course, you've got your double wardrobes there as well. Got plenty of sockets in here. And switches. You put the bed across there, and beautiful lighting. All very modern. Now just walk down here, and just in here is your shower room. So you have a cubicle shower, you got your WC and a vanity unit and sink. You've also got a nice modern mirror with a light overhead. Beautiful lighting above and fantastic lighting throughout this property. You've also got a steam extractor up there in the ceiling. So just in here you've got this lovely door. I'll shut it over and step back. As you can see, it has frosted glass windows on it. Now that leads out onto your kitchen. And you have a beautiful kitchen in here. Look at that. You have beautiful granite worktop to work from. You've got your hood extractor, integrated microwave and an oven. You've got your integrated electric hob. You've got your sink and drainer, plenty of base and top units. Really lovely. Just come down around here. And as you can see, you've got that little dining room table if you just wanted to have a snack or a cup of tea. And that leads out into the garden there. Lovely lighting again here. It's lovely lighting throughout the property. So I'll give you a closer look at that granite worktop. And all modern units. So just in here, it's like a utility area. You've got your American fridge freezer, and you've got more top and base units. You've got your washing machine, a boiler, water filter system there, and you have just something for your kitchen towel and that. Okay. So I'm going to take you outside into the garden first. Now this is lovely out here. Got your potted plants and a lovely area to sit and just enjoy. You've got a wall there raised for privacy with some pot plants. And you have your side entrance to the property just there. You could put a side gate there if you wanted to. So really lovely. And just, I've noticed up there, you have lighting above both. And of course you've got your washing line there. So let me take you back inside. You've also got shutters on the windows up there as well that they pull down at night. So I'm going to take you upstairs and I'll see you at the top of the staircase, guys. Now I've just come up to the top of the staircase here. Above there are some beautiful lights again. I'm just going in to the room just here first. We'll have a look in here. So this is a nice double bedroom. You've got his and her wardrobes. And if I just come back, you can see that there is storage overhead as well. Just going to pan around for you. So you have your aircon there and you have a lovely decorative light. It's a good sized double bedroom with switches on either side of the bed for your lampshades. You've got another plug socket just there. And if I pan around, you've got a little TV and your radiator just there. Now just out here, it's a lovely terrace that you could just sit and enjoy. Got a beautiful church there. Just hid the ding for past. Really lovely, and some beautiful views of the countryside and the village. Just above there, of course, you got your overhead light for the evening. So, shut that door over. Go back down. So just overhead you got a night light or a light overhead door there. No. So just overhead you have a light and you put that on in the evening. I'm just going back through and I show you another beautiful room. First of all, we'll stop here at the shower room. So you've got a nice vanity unit and mirror there. Just in here, you've got your WC. You've also got some storage and a window there. Just pan around just to give you an idea of the room. So you got your long shower cubicle there, which will take 2 people easy, with the rain head shower. A beautiful little chandelier above. You've also got your overhead heater. Beautiful home this is. Now, I'm going to take you in here. This is lovely, bright and airy in here. And as I pan around, you can see Again, a nice double bedroom with views of the countryside. Really lovely. And you've got a little Juliet balcony there as well. So just behind the door, you've got a little TV and your radiator. And if I pan around, you can see you have patio doors with a little Juliet balcony looking out to that beautiful countryside. If I just walk up here and turn around, you can see you have his and her wardrobes with overhead storage. And there's lovely flooring throughout this property as well. And that's throughout the whole of the property. I'll take you back downstairs now. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's really beautiful. It's very modern, beautiful flooring throughout and lighting, and the kitchen is absolutely fantastic. Beautiful black granite worktop spaces as well. Now, this is out in a little hamlet, in a little village, which is very, very quaint. And you have some lovely outdoor space as well. So if you're interested in this property, I will leave the reference number for this particular house in the title of the video. So if you're interested, do contact the agent. I will leave all the details below this video. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe, because there's somebody out there who would love this video. So until the next time, take care. Have an amazing day.